Recently, Samsung has rolled out the One UI 6.1 update, and with that, Samsung has enabled the Galaxy AI for some devices which are listed in your screen. And in this video, we'll just go through what are the new features and I'll explain how it works. This feature was very much speaked in the S24 launch series, and to use this feature you have to long press the button and you get this cool animation, and you have to manually circle for what you're looking for. In my case, that is the headphones that I'm looking for, and let's just circle and it directly takes you to the Google Lens page and you have the information. Honestly, given. This feature is very useful if you ask. If you want to know what the product is, you have to just circle it up and you get the information about it. This is very much useful for me because while editing thumbnails, I take photos in the iPhone and it usually is in 4:3 ratio, and in order to make it even more wider, I'll use this feature. You just need to tap on edit and you have the Galaxy AI icon in the corner, and you have to just click it and you can resize it as your wish, and you can see the original. It's not very accurate, but in some cases it was very accurate. I'll share it with you through some shots or something. And the next feature is called moving object, and in this feature you have to just long press an object and you will be able to move it as you wish. But in this case, Samsung just processed a hole in my table, and in this attempt it was very accurate. I was really shocked by the results.
Let's talk about.
Did you see that? The results are very shocking, and from these two examples you can conclude that this feature is a hit or a miss. It works well in the outdoors but not in the indoors. First of all, I would like to clarify something. I don't know Hindi, so I have just tried something in Hindi and I guess it works. In order to make this feature work, you have to go to the control center and you have to search for the option interpreter. There are not many regional languages available in this feature right now. There is only Hindi available. मेरा नाम लक्ष्मणी अक्षय है. I am suing you, Samsung. Samsung just converted me into a female according to this feature. Let's give it another try. How's the weather there in Delhi? See, sometimes it's accurate, but sometimes it just changes your gender. This unleashes many of our creativity, and in order to make this feature work, you have to go to the wallpapers and you should hit on the feature creative, and you have all these few options which are available right now. Maybe they can add some more options with an update. So first you have imaginary night painting and other features, so I'll just click on mineral, and you have a few presets which you can choose around with, and I'll just go with something and let's see how it goes. I mean, the wallpapers are really good actually. I'm going to set one of these as my main wallpaper, and let's just explore some more options. Wow, the photos are really detailed. The photos look very good, but you know the problem is I'm allergic to honeybees, so I won't keep it as my wallpaper. Now we'll just go to imaginary and do something which is very appealing. I don't know what pagoda is, but let's see how the result is. This is really colorful actually. I really like this feature. You know, this feature is really useful for me while giving voiceovers to my videos. In fact, the result is very good actually. It's not very accurate, I would say, but for a first generation AI processing, in fact, this is really impressive. You can also have two people involved in the conversation and it gives you the transcription. And let's just click on to summary and see whether the summarizing part is really accurate. Okay, the summaries has some nuances. It just converted AI to A available to accessible. Okay, for this feature you have to update the Galaxy Notes app through the Galaxy app store, and you have to just update. And on summarization of a paragraph or segregation of a paragraph into headers and footers, you can absolutely use this feature. You just hit summarize and it automatically summarizes the paragraph, but it was taken from Wikipedia, and I hope there are no spelling mistakes. You have a few templates available. The headers, the segregation is very accurate actually. This can widely be utilized by students like me. This feature is not only useful for students or content creators, it is also useful for some business people. Through this feature you can showcase yourself as a very well educated man. After you're done with your text, you have to search for the Galaxy AI icon, and you have to just tap on it and tap on writing style, and you have the original, professional, casual, social, polite and emojify. That is really odd actually, if you ask me. And now we'll see whether my spelling and grammar is right, and I have some mistakes. Weekend I have spelled it wrong, I guess. This feature is really useful for scam calls when the other person is speaking in Hindi, and I just click on call assist. Yes, if you click on this, you will get a voice. Actually, take a look.
इस कॉल का अनुवाद किया जा रहा है और उसका लाइव कैप्शन जोड़ा जा रहा है.
Okay, I would say this feature is also a hit or a miss. Sometimes the voice, the translation is really good, but sometimes it makes very odd noises, which is very creepy.
My name is Lakshman T. Akshay.
This feature reduces work for me personally. If you're taking a video, if you want to also have the slow motion video of it, you have to just take the video in any resolution and any frame rate, and you can just long press on the video and it just instantly creates into a slow motion video. And sometimes it works with some videos, but sometimes it doesn't work with some videos. Another cool thing is you can also edit the videos and set what speed you want the video in. I would like to take this time to also tell you what problems that I was facing while updating to this One UI 6.1. First of all, the battery life is not good as it was in One UI 6.0. Second is the phone overheats while using these AI features. Third is after updating to the One UI 6.1, the phone really froze, and after that I was only able to recover it after updating to the next security patch. And also all these features are available for free only for 1 year. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. Bye.